are going to start with application writing. Okay. Application writing. First term, PT1, writing skill. Before you start writing anything, help me out to write the application. Tell me the format. I have forgotten the format, so it's your turn. One by one, one by one. One by one, Hardik. First, let's start with Hardik. Hardik, where to write? Here, here, here. The spelling. PR. PRIN. Chal, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Akshita. Next. You don't know the format? Chalo, Bani. S capital. सब कुछ capital. All blocked. First. Swami Sandas. Sit down. Any comma? Gurkaran. Jalandhar. If no name is given, you can write ABC, ABC public school, XYZ public school, right, in place of mentioning directly your name. Because from 9th onwards, you will be asked not to write the school name and your name. Okay? Jalandhar city, it's your wish. Shriya. Date, without leaving line. Date, how to write date? Huh? Pulkit. Next. What comes after the date? Leave. खुश हो रहा तुक्का लग गया है ना? Okay, subject. Now, how to write the subject? Topic, right? Okay, what should be the length of the subject? It should be short. How much short? Is 6 to 7 words, but the main thing is that it should clearly state the topic, right? ये मत करना कि short लिखने के लिए कहा है तो you are not even including the topic, right? Got it? So yes, and you can start with a verb. Don't write I am requesting you to this, I am complaining against this, not like this. You can start with the verb, requesting, to request, to complain, like this. Okay? Yeshika, that is not in our syllabus, I think. Advertisement writing, na? It's not in our syllabus. Hindi mein? Okay, now let's, after this, respected ma'am, that is called salutation. Respected M A M. Okay, you can write this ma'am, or you can write short form ye hai. That is not the short form. This is the short form of this. That's all. Done? Okay, yes. Article writing, yes. Yeshika will discuss article writing soon. Don't worry. अच्छा लगता है, क्लियर लगता है. Okay, after this, now what comes in that part? Context, body, content. Introduction is, can you divide application writing into various paragraphs? Your introduction, ठीक है? Hello? No. Your introduction. हाँ. First paragraph, your introduction and topic. So you are going to introduce the topic and you are going to introduce yourself, right? 3 to 4 lines. That's all. Got it? 3 to 4 lines. No need to say or ask the well-being or greet this way. Hello, how are you? Hey, I'm fine. No need to do that. Got it? Is it okay? For application writing, you are writing to the principal, or you can be asked to write the application to the manager, management, okay, of your school. So read the question carefully, then choose this. Is it okay? Sometimes you are asked to write the application to the teacher. तब तुमने यहाँ पे principal नहीं लिखना. Okay, now after this, then details, right? Only include necessary and important details. You are not supposed to include any kind of detail. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी जो दिमाग में आ रहा है, you can write that. No, that is not the case, because this is formal letter, type of formal letter. It should be short. Is it okay? This letter should be short and with formal tone. Tone should not be informal. Don't use idioms. Avoid using idioms here for formal letters. Okay? Slangs that you use, hey, what's up? Obviously, not like that. No need to write, I'm going to sleep, take care, bye. Just to the point. That's all. Give details, include 1 or 2 main points. Whatever the reason. Suppose if you are asking to organize any sports camp, cricket camp, badminton camp, or anything. So first you have to introduce your topic. After introducing, you have to tell why. What is the reason? Or what is the need of that camp? 1 or 2 points. That's all. Okay, strong points. Then ending para. What? You will request the principal or the higher authority to take some action if the application is related to that, or requesting whatever the topic is. It totally depends. Okay? Is it okay? Sick leave hai to sick leave ke according hoga, grant me leave and this. And wherever needed, wherever required, do mention the dates here in details part. In case of sick leave, definitely you are not going to get sick leave. So in case you get so, then you have to mention the dates from this date to this. Or maybe you are going for a tournament, okay, and you need a leave for that purpose. Then also you have to mention the dates from this date to this date, and places this. I'm going to represent my school on state or district, whatever level. Okay, so I request you to do this. Is it okay? Be formal, be polite. You have to say it. Always say request. Don't write I want to say that. I request you to organize a camp. I request you to take strict action against whatever. Or don't write like this. I want you to take strict action. तुम ये कह रहे हो, मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम एक्शन ले लो. ठीक है? Yes, you have to be very polite. Done? Then at the end, by capital, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Don't write yours lovingly. Okay? Yours faithfully, yours sincerely, whatever, but keep one thing in your mind. By capital, next letter should be small. Yours, Y capital, if you are writing faithfully, obediently, sincerely, whatever you are writing, first alphabet should be short. Sorry, small. Okay. And then comes the name. No apostrophe S. Okay. Chalo, now the question is, if the name is given there in the question, then you have to use the same name. And if no name is given, try to use again alphabets A, B, C, P, Q, R, whatever. Okay? Don't write your name. Avoid writing your name. Clear? Now the question for application writing is that you write an application to the principal of your school. Write down. Write an application. Write the question. Write an application to the principal of your school to organize COVID test camps. RT-PCR ब्रैकेट में लिख लेना, ठीक है? COVID test camp for the checkup of students. बस, ठीक है? Organize COVID test camps or COVID test camp for the checkup of the students. Now, ABC. Go for ABC. Okay, make one more change. You are the student of, write down, you are Pulkit of ABC Public School, Delhi. You are Pulkit of ABC Public School, Delhi. Done? Start. Then I'm going to ask you. Those who are online, this time I'm going to ask you and you have to give the answers. Write down first paragraph first. Only first paragraph. Write down the format and the first paragraph. That's all. Avni, just a second. Question is, write an application to the principal of your school requesting her to organize COVID test camp for the checkup of students. You are Pulkit. Student of ABC Public School, Delhi. You are Pulkit, student of ABC Public School, Delhi. Done? First paragraph, 3 to 4 lines, enough. Your introduction and topic, you have to discuss or you have to introduce the topic. Write down the format this beginning and the first paragraph, then raise your hands if you have done, if you have written. Yes, Hardik, come here. Speak. I'll hold this for you.
I am Pulkit of class 5th A. I am going to ask you about that. You can organize the COVID test camps for the checkup of the students so that the students become healthy.
Okay, chalo. Sit down. Anyone else? Anyone else? Shriya, come here. Be quick.
I am Pulkit, the student of your esteemed institution. From the past few days, the number of students have increased, so the threat of COVID has also increased. So I request you to organize COVID test camps so that COVID cannot enter our school.
Okay. Yes. Kani.
I, Pulkit of 8th A class, wants to request you to organize a COVID test camp for the students. This test is very important nowadays for the students.
Acha, now anyone who wants to read or read whatever they have written for the first paragraph, please raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Tab tak, let's start this. The principal, then ABC. And be careful, S capital, P capital, and whatever the name is. Okay. Then date same, right? Subject. Request. Be polite. Request or requesting, whatever, request to organize. Request to organize COVID test camp. That's all. Okay, Mehak, I'm going to unmute you. Mehak, I'm going to unmute you. Please start.
With due respect, I want to state that I, Pulkit of class 8, wants to request you to organize a COVID test camp in the school for all the students and staff to ensure their security and safety.
Okay, that's good. Wherever you have to write the first paragraph, make sure that you just introduce yourself and the topic. Okay. What Shreya has written, Shreya has already given the reasons to organize the camp. That should be in the second part. Okay. Otherwise, second part के लिए तुम्हारे पास content रहेगा नहीं ज़्यादा. You have already given, I think, 1 or 2 reasons. One reason, though, I think you have already stated. Okay. So it's better just introduce yourself. I am this. And if the designation is mentioned, you can mention the designation. If not, it is totally up to you. I am this of this class, or I am head boy of this class. So on behalf of all the students, you can use this line that you are the representative. You are going to represent the students of other classes or the students of your school. So you can write on behalf of the students, I want or I request you to organize COVID test camp if you want for the safety of the students. Full stop, done. Now comes the second paragraph, and in that second paragraph, start giving the reasons. that nowadays problem, so many cases are there, students are also coming to the school. So whatever reasons you have, give minimum 2 reasons. Okay, 2 reasons. Got it? You got the idea how to start the first paragraph? You have introduced yourself. Most whenever you have to request anything ना, हमें किसी के behalf पे ही करनी होती है. It's not only about us to make our point impressive. We write on behalf of behalf of all the students, or on behalf of my team. If you are the captain of the team, my team, I want to request you to organize whatever. In this case, we have COVID test camp. So on behalf of the school, behalf of the students, I request you to organize this camp for the students of safety of the students. Arrange is also okay. Okay, as this is in this, you can also include this, that this is also a requirement from according to new guidelines. This is also required for every school to conduct such type of tests for the students. Okay, so now in second paragraph you are going to give the details. Who has written the second paragraph? Done. Chalo, Bani is going to tell whatever she has written.
Nowadays, our country is in big problem of COVID-19 and many cases are coming in our country. So it is important to organize COVID test so that we know, so that we can know that we are healthy or not.
See what you have done. You have written only one reason. ठीक है? And already आपका paragraph वो lengthy हो गया. Make it short. Directly write down the reasons. ठीक है? With the rise of, you can start with the rise of COVID-19 cases, it is compulsory or it is advisable from the government also to organize and get the students RT-PC, whatever, RT-PCR reports. Okay, this reason, ek to students government guidelines. Second is, it is definitely beneficial. It would be beneficial for all the students and for the reputation of the school also, for the life of the students and the reputation of the school. Or if you have any reason, definitely safety of the students, that is must. As in addition to, at the end you can write, in addition to this, we will also be equipped with this type of knowledge. You had also, okay Yashika, I'm going to unmute you. Yes, Yashika.
Yes, ma'am. As you know that the COVID cases are coming in other schools of Delhi and that they have COVID test camps also. So we should also organize a test camp so that we can know which student is affected from it and we can quarantine the other student and sanitize the school if you want the safety of the school. And this is also in government guidelines. Thank you for kind attention regarding matter. Kindly take action. Yours sincerely, Pulkit.
Okay, Yashika, almost correct, but one problem is there. Instead, when you have written, if you want the safety of students, definitely we want the safety of the students. Okay, this is kind of blackmail. कि अगर आपको बच्चों की सुरक्षा चाहिए, then organize the. Don't write like this. Try to make it polite. Okay, otherwise everything is fine. Try to make sound polite, okay, and formal. Got it? And after this second paragraph, when you have to end, you will end. I hope you would pay attention, or I hope you would you would soon organize the camp, as the students' safety is is the school's, you can say, priority. Okay, so according to that, you have to end. And please write that I shall be highly obliged or thanking you like this. Okay, show that you are grateful whatever they are doing. Third paragraph where you have to end now, that I hope you will soon take the action, or you will soon organize the camp soon. I shall be highly obliged. Then thanking you, name and end. Okay, chalo. Yes.
So it's my humble request that camp should be organized and all students should take part in this. I will be highly obliged.
I shall be highly obliged. Correct. So, whatever. Yes, Gurnoor, 3 paragraphs, and those paragraphs should be short and to the point. Got it? First paragraph, 3 to 4 lines. Second paragraph, 5 to 6. And again, third paragraph, 2 to 3 lines. That's all. Not more than that. Okay, because applications are always short. Sick leave ke liye, I think you need only 1 paragraph. Sometimes you write application in 1 paragraph also, but still it is okay. Huh? 2 lines enough. Okay. Rohit, are you giving me the point or you are just asking? Thank you for kind attention regarding matter. Kindly take. Yes, this is also correct. Yashika. Not written by Rohit. This is written by Yashika. Okay? Okay, done. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions. Time is almost over. But still, I'm going to ask you a few questions related to the poem that I thought we would discuss. Sara ho gaya? Very good, Hardik. Chalo. Your poem that the cricket. No. The ant or aunt. Aunt to auntie. Ant. Okay. The ant and the cricket. So the question is, what was the policy of the cricket? Is there any policy of the cricket? Sure? No? No policy of the cricket? What do you think? The policy of ants? What was their policy? One by one, one by one. Okay, never borrow, never lend. Okay, one should work hard. Chalo, this is also correct. But what about the cricket? His policy was to enjoy. Definitely not at all a good policy to adopt, right? But his policy was to enjoy and enjoy the present, and he was not at all concerned about the future. This was his policy, definitely not at all a good policy. Okay, so next is okay, when did the cricket begin to complain? When did he start it? When did he start the complaints and all? As the summer? And what was the weather when this happened? At the, yes, in the beginning of the winter season, and when he had nothing to, no grain, nothing, right? What is the moral of this story? Sorry, this poem. Okay, hard work. Anyone else? We get fruit. Okay, hard work only. Yes. Okay, those who are online, we should practice hard. Do not cheat others. Okay, cheat others. I think Punya cheat wala nahi aayega. Yes, always ready for the upcoming challenges and always enjoy your life, but with the focus on your future. Okay, focus on your future. Hard work definitely is the key to success, and be regular. Very good, Yashika. Never depend on others. Okay, don't think that other person or someone else would help you. Never depend. Be independent. This can also be the theme or moral. Okay. Yes, Prabal. Yes. Okay, we'll continue this tomorrow. I have to stop.